Hi there, my name is Sabrina and I'm excited to share with you an awesome new skincare device from Nu Skin. It's called Ageloc Boost and it uses microcurrent technology, which has been the best thing ever for my skin. I'm seeing more brightness and my skin seems more alive. I think it's the best way to describe it. So I decided to make this video to show you how it works. Hope you like it. When you order Ageloc Boost, you get the device and a charger. And this amazing product, Ageloc Boost Activating Serum, which does two things. One, it conducts the microcurrents, and two, it provides incredible ingredients to the skin. I'm talking powerful ingredients that help brighten, hydrate, and plump, as well as zoom in on aging. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so I've already finished cleansing and toning my face, and now I'm ready to use my Ageloc Boost. After cleansing and toning your face, dry your hands before you pick up the device. And then, turn on the device by swiping your finger all the way up like this. Dispense 3 drops, 1, 2, 3, on the device right here. And then dab it or spread it evenly over one half of your face like this. Similar to how you might dab on your foundation before you begin blending it in. You treat one half of your face for 1 minute, add more activating serum, and then the other half for another minute, for a total of 2 minutes only. That's it. And that's what makes Ageloc Boost unique. It's quick, so I've had no problem working into my morning routine. And using slow upward, outward motions, move the device over half of your face, keeping constant contact with your skin. As you're gliding it around, you can focus on any areas you're concerned about. Because I have some dark spots right here, I'm going to focus a little more on this area. While you're treating, the microcurrent and the ingredients in activating serum are helping increase skin luminosity and bounce. So now's a good time to talk about the microcurrent Ageloc Boost uses. It's called a variable pulse microcurrent, which is exclusive to Nu Skin. This unique waveform is great for optimizing your complexion every day, and from my experience, I'd say 100%. Oh, I'm going to interrupt myself and say if you ever need to pause the device during treatment, simply swipe down the touch surface like this. When you're ready to restart, just swipe back up. Then I rinse off the treatment head to remove any residue and wipe it dry. From this point, I just continue with my normal skincare regimen. Apply my favorite serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen, and I'm good to go. Using Ageloc Boost is such an easy way to give your skin a youthful glow so you're always ready for anything. Selfies, video meetings, believe me, they're never a problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. When you can, get your own Ageloc Boost. You'll love it.